Now we will talk about the overlap of the business functions. Financial and operation management personnel cooperate by the exchanging information and the expertise in the such activity and the following. From the marketing, focus in the selling and the promoting of goods or services of an organization. Marketing is also responsible for assessing customer wants and needs and for communicating those to operation people in the short term and to the design people in the long term. So, marketing, operation, and the finance must interface on product and process design, forecasting, setting realistic schedule, quality and quantity decision, and keeping each other informed on the other's strength and weakness. Operation interface. Operation also interact with other functional areas of organization, including legal, publication, personal human resources, MIT, management information system, accounting. And you can see in the figure 1.6, the legal department must be consulted on the contract with the employees, customer, suppliers, and transporter, as well as a liability and the environment issue. Accounting supply information to management on cost of labor, materials, and the overhead, and many provide reports on items such as the scrap, downtime, and inventories. MIS, it stands for the Management Information System, is concerned with the providing management with the information it needs to be effectively managed. This occurs mainly through decision system to capture relevant information and design report. MIS is also important for managing the control the decision-making tools using the operation management. Another is the personal or human resources. The department is concerned with the recruitment and training for the personnel, labor relations, contract negotiation, wage and the salary administration, assistance in the manpower projection, and ensuring the health and safety to the employee. The last is the public relation, has a responsibility for the building and the maintaining a positive public image of the organization. Good public relation provides many potential benefits, and obvious one in the marketplace. Other potential benefits include public awareness of organization as a good place to work, in the labor supply, improved chance for the approval of zoning change request, community acceptance to expansion plans, and instilling a positive attitude among the employees. Trend in business. Major trend in business maybe consists of in the internet or e-commerce or e-business, management technology, and globalization, management of supply chain, outsourcing, and agility, ethical behavior. Management technology. Management technology is the word technology has several definitions depending on the context. General or technology refer to the application to scientific discovery, to development and improvement of the goods and services. Operation management is primarily concerned with the three kinds of technology: products and service technology, process technology, and information technology. We call it IT. All three can have a major impact on cost, productivity, and competitiveness. Product and service technology, process technology, and information technology. Let us explain you in the term by term of the product and service technology. Refer to the discovery and development of a new products and services. This is done mainly by researchers and engineers who use the scientific approach to development new knowledge and translate that into the commercial application. Process technology refers to the method, procedures, and equipment used to produce goods and provide services. They include not only processes within the organization but also supply chain processes. Information technology, that we call the IT, refer to the science and use of the computer and other electronic equipment to store, process it, and send information. Information technology is heavily ingrained into their business operation. These include electronic data processing, the use of barcodes to identify and track goods, obtaining point of sale information, data transmission, the internet, e-commerce, email, and more. Simple product supply chain. Supply chain is the sequence of the organization, their facility, function, and activity that are involved in producing and delivering a product or service. The sequence begins with the basic supplier of the raw material and extends on the way to the final customer. As seen in the figure 1.7, facility might include warehouse, factories, processing center, offices, distribution center, and retail outputs. Function and activity include forecasting, purchasing, inventory management, information management, quality assurance, scheduling, production, distribution, delivery, and the customer service. So the supply chain, it had to say that it's a sequence of activity and organization involved in the producing and delivering in a goods or service. A supply chain for the making bread, it is the example, like have the state for the primary, farmer produce and harvest weight, we transfer to the mill products to the flour. At the end, we have to the grocery store display and the sale in the base. Total value added is the $1.29. Other important trends. While the processing issue and getting much needed attention, there are also other important issues that must be added. These include greater emphasis on operation strategy. During the 1920 and 1980, many companies neglect to include operation strategy in their corporate strategy. Some of them paid dearly for the neglect. Now more and more companies are recognizing an important operation strategy on the overall success of their business. Next, working with few resources. Due to layoff, corporate downsizing, and general cost cutting in forcing managers to make trade-off decisions on resource allocation and to place increased emphasis on the cost control and productivity movement. Revenue management is a method used by some companies to maximize the revenue they receive from the fixed operating capacity by influencing demand through price manipulation. Also know that the field management has been successful using the travel and the tourism industry by airline, cruise line, hotel, amusement park, and retail company, and in other industries such as the trucking and the public utility. For the process analysis and improvement, include cost and time reduction, productivity improvement, process yield improvement, and equality improvement, and increased customer satisfaction. They are sometimes referred as the Six Sigma process. Six Sigma process is a process of reducing cost, improving quality, and increasing customer satisfaction. You must relearn this for the next chapter. And increased regulation is the product liability. Is the sum of very cost. Product liability claim has continued to make this issue important management issue. These issues are discussed in the chapter 4. The last one is the lean production. Systems are also named because they are used much less in certain resources than typical mass production system use space, inventory, and worker to produce a comparable amount of output. Lean systems use highly skilled workforce and flexible equipment. In effect, they incorporate advantages of both mass production, that means in high volume and their low unit cost, and craft production in the variety and flexibility and quality in higher than in the mass production.